ग्रेटर नोएडा के शारदा यूनिवर्सिटी में 25th नेशनल एंड 4th इंटरनेशनल ISPN कॉन्फ्रेंस का आयोजन किया जा रहा है और अभी हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं पैट्रॉन ISPN इंडिया डॉक्टर टी दिलीप कुमार। आप प्रेसिडेंट भी हैं इंडियन नर्सिंग काउंसिल के। सर स्वागत है, वेलकम इन ग्रेटर न्यूज़। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू नो व्हाट इज़ द थीम ऑफ दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस।
I think this theme is access to services, mental health and catastrophes and emergencies, empowering the nurses. The empowering the nurses is one of the big themes by the ICN. So this ISPN also has captured that word, empowering nurses. Nurses need to be empowered working in the psychiatric nursing services to prevent the catastrophes. Because what is happening is, whatever the nurse population ratio which is there for the general nurses and to the population as recommended by the WHO, 3 nurses for 1,000 population for the general nurses, whereas for the psychiatric nurses is much higher, should be there, but which is not happening in the training the human resource for the psychiatric nurses. But this association is one among the other specialities in the healthcare delivery system, regularly organizing annually. They have not left even in COVID annual conferences. They are doing a lot of paper presentations, a lot of evidences they are bringing, and they are discussing, and they will go back and they will try to apply those things in the day-to-day setting with the limited resources, because again the investment is not coming to that extent. Even the limited investment, this group of psychiatric nurses, they are playing a very important role. Every year assembling every year.
What kind of challenges you see?
The main challenge is convincing the governments to create the position. That is a big challenge. So I think government is also gradually investing the more money in the nursing sector. Definitely the psychiatric nursing is also, this time the government of India in the latest budget, they have given a big resources for the psychiatric nursing, mental health. They have given. Once they are creating the institution without the proper human resource like doctors and the psychiatric nursing, those institutions will not be able to do. So therefore there is a big support by the government in this budget for the psychiatric nursing.
थैंक्स फॉर टॉकिंग विद ग्रेटर न्यूज़। थैंक्स। बातचीत कर रहे थे और शारदा यूनिवर्सिटी है जहाँ पे ये कॉन्फ्रेंस किया जा रहा है और इसमें आपने बताया जो साइकेट्रिक जो पेशेंट होते हैं जिन नर्स अटेंड करती है तो क्या चैलेंजेस है और थीम के बारे में जो कॉन्फ्रेंस होने वाला है यहाँ पे शारदा यूनिवर्सिटी में उसके बारे में भी आपने तफसील से जानकारी दी। साथ ही सौरभ सिंह के साथ रोहित प्रियदर्शन, ग्रेटर न्यूज़।